In this video, let us see the environmental accounting concept. Okay, under the environmental performance or the environmental accounting, so now we are going to calculate the problems based on GRI guidelines given by our government. So let us see what is the GRI. Okay, the GRI is nothing but the Global Standards for Sustainability Reporting. Okay, under this we have the 4 components, like we have the social component, environmental component and global component and another one. Okay, so but in this class only we are concentrating on the environment, so only I will take about that topic. So under the environmental accounting or the environmental performance, so we have the KPIs. So the KPI means key performance indicators. So the key performance indicators, as the first one is energy use, second one greenhouse gas emission, third one use of recycled material, fourth one use of recycled water, and the last one recycling of hazardous waste. Okay, one by one let us see what is this and the formulas for the KPIs under the given GRI guidelines. Okay, so let us see the first one, that is general energy use. So what is energy used under the environmental accounting? How we can get this one? By using this formula. So the formula contains as total energy used divided by the turnover, or you can also say as the sales value, sales multiplied into 100. So by using this formula we can get the energy use, that is first key indicator or key performance indicator. Second one is greenhouse gas emission. So under this we have the 2 indicators, that is current year and previous year is deducted, and the base is again previous year is took. So let us see the formula. Direct and indirect, GHG means greenhouse gas. Direct and indirect greenhouse gas emission in current year minus direct and indirect greenhouse gas emission in previous year, whole divided by, again it is taken as the base as this one, means the current year expenditures minus previous year expenses, so divided by previous year expenses. So this will give you the greenhouse gas emission. So this is not the emission test, so only emission. Next one, use of recycled materials. So the materials can be rubber, plastic, paper, steel and hardwares. So the formula is recycled materials used divided by total materials used multiplied into 100. So the fourth one is use of recycled water. So water is recycled when we used, right? So that's why we have the base as total water used. So but the upper side we have as the total volume of recycled water used. So water used divided by total water used multiplied into 100. So this will give you the fourth category, that is use of recycled water. And the last one is recycling of hazardous waste. Hazardous waste may be a chemical waste of the industry or anything like that. Okay, under that we have amount of hazardous waste recycled divided by amount of hazardous waste produces or generated multiplied into 100. Okay, so these are the 5 formulas are having the KPIs, or you can also simply say as the PIs, that is performance indicators under the GRI guidelines. Okay, in the next video we'll come up with the problems, so by using the same formulas. So let us come with the new video.